The octopus is one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean, not just because of its alien-like appearance, but because of how its brain works. Unlike humans, whose brains are centralized in their skulls, an octopus has a unique nervous system where 2/3 of its neurons are located in its arms. This means that each arm can process information and even make decisions independently of the main brain. Imagine if your hands could think for themselves, grabbing objects, solving puzzles, or even working separately while you focused on something else. That's the reality for an octopus, and it's what makes these creatures so incredibly intelligent. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of an octopus' decentralized brain is how its arms interact with the world. When an octopus reaches out to explore its surroundings, its arms don't wait for instructions from the main brain. Instead, they gather information on their own using specialized nerve clusters called ganglia. These ganglia act like mini brains, processing sensory data and making quick decisions. If an arm detects food, it can grasp it without the main brain having to be involved. This ability allows octopuses to multitask in ways that seem almost supernatural. Scientists have tested this independence in fascinating ways. In one experiment, researchers cut off visual input from an octopus main brain and placed food in a maze. Without seeing the food, the octopus sent its arms blindly into the maze, feeling around for the treat. What's incredible is that once an arm found the food, it didn't need to send a message back to the brain for approval. It simply grasped the food and brought it back. The arm acted as if it had its own intelligence, because in a way it does. This decentralized intelligence is incredibly useful for survival. An octopus can be focused on hiding from predators while its arms continue searching for food. If an arm is grabbed by a predator, it can detach and keep moving, even without the rest of the body. In some cases, severed octopus arms have been observed curling around objects and responding to stimuli for hours after being separated. It's almost as if they are still alive and thinking on their own. Octopuses also use this intelligence to problem solve in ways few other animals can. They have been seen opening jars, escaping from enclosures, and even using coconut shells as shields. Their arms allow them to manipulate objects with a level of dexterity that rivals human hands. Some species have been observed working together with their arms, coordinating movements to open clamshells or pry apart obstacles. This level of control is rare in the animal kingdom and is a direct result of their unique nervous system. Another mind-boggling ability of octopus arms is their capability to ignore each other. While each arm operates semi-independently, they don't tangle up or interfere with one another. This is because the arms have a built-in system to recognize themselves. Scientists believe the octopus uses chemical signals in its skin to prevent its own arms from getting confused and attacking each other. This is particularly useful since octopus arms are covered in powerful suckers that can grip with impressive strength. Without this built-in recognition, an octopus could accidentally end up in a constant battle with itself. This unique form of intelligence raises an interesting question. What does it mean to be conscious? In humans, we think of intelligence as something that happens in the brain. But for an octopus, intelligence is spread throughout its body. It makes us wonder, does an octopus experience the world in a completely different way than we do? Could each arm have a kind of awareness separate from the main brain? These are the kinds of questions that make studying octopuses so exciting. As we continue to study octopuses, we may discover even more surprising things about how they think and perceive the world. Their incredible intelligence, combined with their ability to adapt and learn, makes them one of the most remarkable creatures on the planet. And the fact that their brains extend into their arms is just one more reason why octopuses seem almost too strange to be real. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible mind of the octopus, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. Until next time.